Here's a strategy on pocket option for those who don't have the patience to wait for long deadlines and want to engage in aggressive scalping with the goal of securing a good profit. This trading system takes inspiration from classic setups widely used by traders, a channel where the price moves between bands and an oscillator that identifies overbought and oversold areas. The strategy will be executed on pocket option, using two of its built-in indicators that we will adjust accordingly. Settings: 1 minute time frame and 1 minute deadline. The indicators used are the Donchian channel and the CCI oscillator. The CCI oscillator is well known among traders because it is often used to identify areas where the asset is overbought or oversold. The Donchian channel is less known but straightforward. Think of something similar to Bollinger Bands. It is named after its developer and is formed by considering the highest high and the lowest low of the last n periods. The area between the maximum and minimum forms a channel for the chosen period. Let's add the indicators and adjust their settings as follows. Donchian channel period 5. CCI period 20, with level set at 90 and minus 90. Entry rules. Put: when a candle touches the top line of the channel and the CCI line reaches at least level 90, confirming a rebound. Call: when the candle touches the bottom line of the channel and the CCI line reaches at least level minus 90, confirming a rebound. Note: it is important that the CCI clearly shows a trend reversal, meaning the line must bend towards the intended direction and reach the corresponding level. Wait patiently for an inversion. Now let's look at some practical examples.